Hello and welcome to a little game called Teardown. So, I may have installed a couple mods here and there, not that bad. I mean, but point of this is there's children, and here I know what I'm gonna do. Oh! Whoa! Doggy, can't let the children see. Oh! Be gone, demon! Oh crap, wait, Be gone, demon! Be gone! Be gone! Be gone! Be gone, demon! It's still alive. I swear, it's literally invisible. Oh. Ah! Oh wait, I know exactly what to do. So, I got this little thing. Allows me to make cars in the RC, so, let me just, back up a little bit. Oh! Pound! Oh damn. Got the back and back action! Oh! Oh. Jimmy? Oh, he's making out with someone! You're too young! You're too young! Ah. You know what? Become pissed! And, you know what? I'll weld you two together. I know what I'm doing. Totally. Oh, yacht! Holy yacht! Oh. Sorry, man. I gotta get carried away there. Oh, is that what I think it is? Oh. What a school bus. Children! It's time for school! Oh. Jimmy? Jimmy? Okay, Jimmy's fine. Hey, get back here! Sorry, Jimmy, but it's not my personal, it's just business. Oh. 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 Where's the rest of him? I don't really like this dog. Kinda getting old. Anyways, now, you know what we do? Come on, demon! Oh, you're still alive. Oh. Okay. Oh, I didn't mean to kill him. I'm trying to find a gun that doesn't. So, let me just. I'm in that area. That's really scary. Where's my dog? Where are you, bitch? Get back to work, slave! Or until you can stop working. Yeah, get back to work. Wait, is that a child? You think you can outsmart me? Hiding? Huh? You think you're that good? I have the freaking Minecraft bow! Up your ass! I can still drive it! What? Hang on, demon! I'll shoot you a Minecraft bow! Be gone! Bye bye. Oh, we got a little mace. Okay, okay, we wind it up. Oh, 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 oh. We wind it up. We go for the second hit. Oh, 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 oh. Wait, oh my god. Oh. Okay. So now, what a cool thing you can do at this thing. Butterfly! How my problem is getting back down, to be honest. Oh. Hello? Hell am I? Oh. Actually, where the hell am I? Oh. Okay. Let's go a little, I can still hit myself with pianos. Okay. I'ma just like... I wonder. Oh, I'm dead. No! Oh, whoa. What type of advanced block is this? Oh, what's this thing? Ah! Oh, damn. I can fire all of these things off. Oh god, oh god. So we're gonna real quick just... We're gonna do that. No, no, I'm not in control. Let me. Hey, 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 hey. Do I have 2 dogs? Yeah, no, that's a fish. Wait a minute. Wait a little minute. Is this what I think it is? Yeah. Yes. Yes. You will be transformed into human bomb. I mean, doggy ball. Fur ball. Am I running fur ball on legs? Am I running new on legs? If you want social distancing, actually, I'll put this on your tail too. You're a new dog. Even better than you were before. So doggy, you may would you mind backing up? Oh. Just make sure you die. I'm gonna just like I'm charging it up! You're gone, demon! Oh. So that's gonna be going on for a little while, man. Oh, some more children. What are you fellas up to? Ah, yes. Crack, I see. Oh yeah, I can beat this. Yeah. 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 Yes. Oh crap. You crashed it, child. Get back, don't work, slave! Did I tell you could stop working? What do you think you're doing, huh? You trying to fight me? Come at me, bitch! Oh. Ow! Little Jimmy! You know what? You are kind of useless to me. You never even did anything for me. Rest in peace, love Jimmy. You will be remembered. Ow. Oh, it's mush slave. Oh. What have I not used yet? So we got the medieval bow. Use that. Okay. Let's go! It's actually pretty nice. Fish launcher. The fish launcher does literally nothing. Oh, that's not paying attention. Open chemical menu. What's that supposed to mean? Alright, open chemical menu. Let me just back up real quick. Oh, no, I accidentally jumped up. So how do I get the chemical menu? Oh, middle click. Oh! Okay, Explodium. I kinda want that one. Okay. Mush on, slave! Oh. I'm gonna put my chemicals all over you! Oh! Nah, that didn't really go to plan. So let's go to fish. Oh, it's back. Okay! A little more powerful than I thought it was. Let me go back to my special maker. Uranium? Wait. I can put this all on at once? I keep dying. Wait, that's actually, wait. Oh. Children, I'm warning you. Don't eat them! Oh, that kid playing the freaking guitar is probably still there. Oh, he's gonna be dead now. Oh! Okay, so I should have just died again. We should try welding something together. Said welding. I want to weld these two tires together. Oh, this is weld. Teleport welding on? Teleport welding off. Can I weld this together? Question mark? Did it work? Wait. Can I weld my dog? Sorry, doggy. I'm pinning you down. Love. Okay. You're kinda special, doggy. Kinda sped. How are you still alive? Just die! So, doggy? Oh, that was a little, laggy. But, to be honest, let me just try Buster Bomb. I already tried this, and where am I? Oh. Okay. Yes. We also got acid, or fire. Here right now. We got the water cannon. We got the acid cannon. We got the 25 millimeter, 40 millimeter, 105. Okay. That's a gun. This thing, which I keep accidentally killing myself with. Okay. Okay. Damn. That's actually a pretty nice picture. Say cheese, doggy. Interesting. Auto capture, yeah, I can see this. Shotgun, smart pistol, glare. Yeah, I think I used everything. Oh yeah, this one too. Weed whacker. Okay. I did it. Oh. Anyways. Big on demon. Oh god, it's actually a demon now. But anyways, I think that's gonna be it for this video today. So, yeah. So, oh. Bye bye.